What if electricity was never invented? This thought experiment takes us on a journey through an alternate reality, reshaping our lives in unimaginable ways. Electricity powers nearly every aspect of our daily existence, from communication to transportation, lighting our homes and fueling our industries. If it had never been discovered, our world would look profoundly different. Firstly, consider transportation. The absence of electricity would mean no electric trains, trams, or subways, fundamentally altering how we move. Instead, we would rely on steam, horse-drawn carriages, or human power for mobility. The development of modern automobiles, which depend on electric ignition and batteries, would also be stalled. This shift would not only affect personal transportation but would lead to significant changes in urban planning, as cities would have to be designed around more traditional forms of transit. Next, let's examine communication. Without electricity, many of the devices we take for granted, such as radios, televisions, and telephones, would cease to exist or evolve very differently. This would mean a reliance on slower forms of communication, such as letters delivered by messengers or postal services. The speed of information exchange would be drastically slower, leading to a world where news traveled at a snail's pace, affecting everything from politics to social movements. In the realm of medicine, the lack of electricity would dramatically impact healthcare. Modern medical imaging technologies, like X-rays and MRIs, rely on electrical systems to function. Without these, diagnostics would be less efficient, potentially leading to higher mortality rates from treatable conditions. Moreover, surgical procedures would lack many of the advanced tools that rely on electricity, necessitating an earlier reliance on basic surgical practices and herbal medicine for treatment. Furthermore, daily conveniences would also be significantly diminished. Household appliances such as refrigerators, microwaves, and washing machines would be non-existent. Instead, people would rely on manual or simpler forms of preservation and cooking methods. This would change the way families prepare meals, store food, and maintain cleanliness, potentially leading to a more labor-intensive lifestyle focused on simpler living and more direct interaction with essential tasks. In conclusion, imagining a world without electricity reveals how deeply integrated this energy source is in our lives. From transportation and communication to healthcare and daily conveniences, the absence of electricity would force humanity to adapt in unique ways, perhaps leading to a slower-paced lifestyle that emphasizes community, craftsmanship, and endurance. This exploration not only highlights the importance of electricity but also encourages us to appreciate the advancements it has brought to our modern existence.